I'm Toby Price. We're here at Dakar Rally 2025. For us, look, the journey kind of started 6 odd years ago. I knew my life span on a motorcycle wasn't going to last forever.
This is unbelievable. What a comeback story from injury for Toby Price to win the greatest race on the planet.
The biggest shift for me is just the car's much wider than the bike, and yeah, you can't split the trees like you could on a motorcycle. A lot of things to learn. I got to gain the confidence in Sam calling the navigation, and then Sam's got to gain the confidence in me driving, and he's quite brave to jump in with a rookie and a guy that I feel like I've got control, but for him probably sometimes feel like I'm out of control. The navigation hopefully should be our strong point. We're still making a few little mistakes. Like when I was on the bike, I quite didn't give the car guys enough credit for what they deserve. Just enjoy, and I don't know, it's nice to have a mate next to you and having fun. Like for sure the bike, I miss the bike, but you're on your own the whole time. So it's 9-10 hours a day, just solely you, and that's it.
I didn't think it was going to be as physically demanding as it is. It's super heavy for the neck and the head getting smashed around. Is your head doing side to side as well?
Yeah, I'm getting beat.
Yeah. The navigation, you can't really see out very well. You're kind of enclosed in there, and you've got a small kind of window where you can see. And on the bike, you obviously have way bigger range of view. So I'm also trusting someone else, he's steering and he's got the gas and the brakes. So a few times, I think I might have said be careful to him about 35 times today. Careful, careful, careful. Just because I'm a bit scared, if I'm honest. But the communication side as well. Normally on the bike, I just sort of read and I ride, and it's all in my head. I don't speak it. So now I'm reading it, figuring it out, and then I'm oh, I need to tell him. He doesn't know. It takes 9,000 kilometers to win it, and you can lose it all in 10 meters.
Motul's been a partner to join this adventure with us, and without the right products, it makes it quite difficult to do. And the torture these cars go through, the oils put up with that torture. And I think by the end of the second week, it's really going to shine and prove that, yeah, we brought the best partners to the table.